Alright, so there's our clock, if I remember correctly. Wow, this place has fallen. This place has really gone downhill. I'm just wondering what happened in the interim.
I'm not sure I want to find out what's up there.
Hey kid, are you the kid from the mall? Oh man, that'd be great. Is this, oh yeah, I think I found it. Here we go. There's the fringe. Wow.
What a mysterious and completely irrelevant door.
I can't buy anything as I have no money. I literally just hopped on a train and came here without any planning or forethought at all. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah?
Hello, is Charlie there, please?
Who is this?
My name's Zoe. I'm a friend of Reza. I'm looking
Okay,
for
so
him.
looks like the
I think
fringe
he
is
might
still
have been
there.
here.
I don't know anybody named Razor. Sorry, goodbye.
Wait, he's a reporter. Goes by the name Jericho.
Alright, come on in.
Alright, so we get to see Charlie, and how's the fringe look? It's gotten some, renovations.
Yes, can I help you? I'm looking for Charlie. He's down there past the bar.
Looks hip.
Whatever.
Wow. Thanks, bitch. This looks nice. Looks swanky. Way swankier than, like, the hipster coffee house slash bar that we had before. And there's Charlie! Holy crap!
That must be Charlie. Excuse me, are you Charlie?
Yeah. Zoe, right? You said you're a friend of Jericho's?
That's right. Has he been here?
How do you know Jericho?
We go way back.
If you're such good friends, why do you need to track him down? Can't you just call him?
It's a long story. Jericho's investigating a story and he's gone subterranean. His mobile's off. He may be in danger. I need to find him. Look, Charlie, he left me a message with your name in it. It's the only clue I have to go on.
All right, I believe you. I spoke with Jericho a couple of days ago.
Wow.
He called me, asked me some questions.
Did you go blind, Charlie?
That's all. I really didn't want to get mixed up in anything. I have a business to run, and my customers don't like publicity.
Oh, it's his
Sorry,
business
girl.
now.
I wish I could help, but that's everything I know.
Okay, I'll let you in, but don't get me mixed up in magic shit that gets my friend shot. Let's bargain. I'm sure he knows more than he...
If you have any information, it will be worth a lot to me.
Is that so? Like what? Money? Or are you offering me something else, like yourself?
I'm not...
You don't need to answer that, girl. I get it. You must love this guy a lot. That's all I needed to know. Look, your friend, he was here last night. He said some things shouldn't cross the wire. He wanted to know about this place I used to live in, a place called the Border House.
Ah.
It was a boarding house for students, run by an English lady, Fiona. That's where Jericho got my name from. The place has been turned into a hotel now. The Victory Hotel. Shady place.
Oh, God.
Jericho wanted to know everything about the building. Entrances, exits, floor plans, the works. He didn't tell me, and I didn't ask, but my guess is he was planning to break into the place.
Why?
There are stories. They say the place isn't really a hotel, but some kind of front for... I don't know, and I don't want to know. Like I said, there are stories.
What kind of stories?
Look, I get all sorts in here. I hear things. But if I start shooting my mouth off, I get burned. I lose my customers.
Charlie, don't be so rude like that. You were the last creepy guy in April's life before.
A lot more than that. So don't get me wrong. I would love to help you. But like Like I told your friend, I can't say much more than that.
I understand. So, Jericho was interested in the layout of that place. What did you call it?
The Border House. The Victory Hotel. Yeah. I told him there are canals running underneath the building and that there's a backyard. Since they drain the water, you can use the canals to get around. There might be a way into the building from the back.
And Jericho, he went there last night.
I honestly couldn't tell you, girl. We spoke, he left, haven't heard from him since.
Okay, well, I guess that's a start. Victory Hotel. Do you own this place?
Nah, I just run it. I used to own it, though. Bought it cheaply right after the collapse, hoping business would pick up again. It never did. I managed to sell it eventually, and the new owners hired me back to manage it. With the new capital, we turned the business around. We're one of the hottest places to go in Newport right now. We get VIPs from around the world. They scram in, party, leave the next morning. Funny thing is, 10 years ago, this was a popular student hangout, the Fringe Cafe. I worked here as a bartender. This neighborhood, Venice, it was a great place to live. We used to think it was the center of the world. And it
Do they ever explain what the collapse is? They will,
Different
kind
world,
of.
different times.
They actually do a little
Collapse
bit, they're a
changed
little bit more
things.
subtle with their exposition in this game, which I do appreciate. So there's this collapse which happened, which... Venice?
Have you lived in Venice all your life?
Feels like that sometimes, but no. The Venice Academy of the Visual Arts. It was famous. It still is, but for very different reasons. Back then, it was the best art school in the city. After the collapse, I lived uptown for a while. I needed to get as far away from Venice as I possibly
So the
could.
collapse, I believe,
Places
happened
gone to hell
after
the past
April had her
decade,
adventure.
Even more so than the rest of Newport. I don't live here. No one lives here, not if they have a choice.
I want to know what's happened.
What
Yeah.
did you study at the academy?
I'll tell you if you promise not to laugh. I studied dance.
You did?
I was a kid. I believed that with enough passion, I could do anything I wanted. I had such faith in myself and in the world. But faith and passion alone will only carry you so far before reality sets in. I hung in there for a while, but money was tight. I had to drop out and find a job. When that happens, you got to face up to the facts. Your life ain't gonna turn out the way you hoped it would. And your dreams, they don't matter so much anymore. You lose faith, but life goes on. Besides, look at where it got me in the end. I've done well for myself. I'm a happy man. Giving up on your dreams isn't necessarily such a bad thing.
So this is also interesting. I think I mentioned, like, the first game, I played it when I was in my first year of university, and it really helped me through that first year of university, like, because the main protagonist. This game takes place 10 years after that, and when I graduated university, it was like after I graduated university that I played this game, and oh my gosh, the writers did so well in kind of really displaying the shift in attitude you get in even just 10 years between the time you're 19 and the time you're 29. And even when I was 25, I was sort of getting the sense when I moved out that it's, yeah, passion and whatnot will only get you so far. Alright, so let's just say thanks.
Thanks, Charlie. I appreciate all your help.
You're welcome, girl. Let me know if you find your friend, all right?
Charlie?
Hang on. Just
Where
in
is the
case.
victory?
It's on a street called The Brink. Walk to the other side of the crossroads, past the Chinaman store.
Past the
You
Chinaman
get to
store.
Cross the Rialto to get to Marco Polo. Marco Polo will take you to the
okay.
Brink. Victory Hotel's on the end of the Brink. Big gray building, wooden door, bench out front. I think there's some scaffolding still left from the construction work. That might help you get down into the canals, but I haven't been around there in a while.
Thanks again.
No problem.
And especially getting, like, especially having been in acting, just having to face up to the fact that it probably wouldn't be the thing that I would do for the rest of my life. This game actually helped me through that as well, because it was a big eye-opener. Marco? Yeah. And what I like about it is they don't necessarily view it as a bad thing. They kind of pose it as a, well, life happens and you just kind of move on, and it's not bad. It might not be great, but it's not bad either. Okay, so there's a dude.
I can see the point of using these barrels now.
Okay. Let's see if I can remember this. Oh, I think I see it. Oh. Border House, what did they do to you? Oh. Look at that. Most of the mural is like rubbed off too. Wow, these guys. Let's see.
No answer.
No answer. Okay. Well, I think I see what the only solution is. Let's sneak in, shall we? This place looks far less shiny. Yeah, seriously.
When I find you, Reza, I'm giving you a big hug. And then you're buying me new shoes and pants. And a very big cup of hot coffee.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. I guess this is the only way up. So we have to sneak into the border house somehow. Oh, what is that? That looks like a bully handprint.
That's probably where Reza got in.
Okay. Let's see if I can... Can I use my phone on it? Oh.
Hey, it's me. I found out where Reza was last night. A place called the Victory Hotel. But I need your help.
Sure. What do you need?
Don't freak out. I need to disable a padlock.
I won't ask. What does it look like?
Black, nondescript, blue light, a small display, your standard padlock. No keypad, so I'm guessing it only works with a key. Can I hack it?
Sorry, sweetie. Those things aren't usually wired. They operate on short-range frequencies. You need to get close, and you need a lockpick.
What kind of lockpick?
Anything reasonably modern should be able to take care of it, unless it's really heavy-duty stuff.
I don't think it is. It's just a padlock on a fence.
Any lockpick will do, as long as it's got multiple frequencies and a universal interface. Most do.
I'll try and find one. Thanks, Liv.
Okay, so let's see if the only other person we can interact with will have one for us. You can hack it with a hacksaw. Imagine that. Really, I feel like she should have brought a tool belt with her. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and get through this section. I recall it being not so fun. That's where Cortez sat! Ah! There's gonna be a lot of this, by the way.
I've nothing left to live for.
Okay.
I used to own an art gallery here in Venice. Now
Yeah?
look at me.
You look great! Okay, can I... Yeah, there we go. Let's go back to our friend.
You back. What you need now?
Lockpicks,
I
please.
need to pick a padlock.
Ooh, very exciting. Breaking into private property. Very good, very good. No explanation needed. I'm not tearing anyone. Oh, sorry, can't help you. Also out of
Drugs! Give me
You
drugs!
said you can provide anything, except for drugs.
Ha! You very funny girl. I like you. Okay, okay. I might have something in stock for you.
Oh, look, there's a Wonkers
Yes,
there.
service, but good as new. In fact, better than new. Can pick most locks made in past 15 years.
I'll take it. How much?
Wait. May look like charitable old fool, but this not cheap. Only one I got. You good customer, but lockpick more valuable than money in Venice.
Angry.
So you have something in stock, but you don't want to sell it to me.
That's how we
Sounds
deal with
nothing.
shopkeepers.
So fast. I like you. You got spirit. I want to help. Maybe we can make trade?
I don't have anything to trade. All I have is my mobile.
No mobile. I got too many already. Cheap, made in China, top quality.
No, Rags,
So
I'm
what
not
do
gonna
you
ask
want
for
to trade?
drugs.
Please, help me out here.
Mobile not very interesting. But my customers, they paranoid. They like to be invisible.
Really?
Mobile's invisible.
Like some kind of cloak for mobiles?
Yes. That could be worth a lot to me.
Imagine that.
Definitely worth trading away last lockpick.
Okay, well, lucky for you.
Zoe, is that you? Did you find a
Does
lockpick?
this guy also
Sort
sell
of.
mogwalls?
But I need your help.
Sure, sweetie. What do you need?
I'm trying to buy a lockpick
Poor
for this
Liv.
merchant, but he doesn't want money. He wants software.
I got software. What does he want?
Remember that cloak you gave me? Could I get a copy of that which would work on other mobiles?
Not the same one. I wouldn't give that to just anyone. But I have another software cloak. It's not as powerful as yours, but it's good stuff. I'm sending it to you as we speak. I'm sure he'll be ready to do business when he sees this thing. It's pretty neat.
I got it.
Pretty neat,
Thanks, Liz.
eh?
You're the best.
You're not wrong, sweetie. Good luck, okay? I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, buddy. Here you go.
You back already? Got something to trade? Something good?
I've got just what you need. It's a small program for your mobile, for any mobile. It disguises the phone and makes it hard for the eye in the sky to track it.
Interesting. Something like that is very hard to find. Show me.
I'll transfer it over.
Very nice, very nice. This is some good stuff. Where you get this? I never seen.
See,
nothing
he
like
doesn't
this
have
before.
a tech-savvy
This will make my
friend.
customers very happy.
Good.
Yes, we have a deal. Here is lockpick for you. Pleased to do business. Very pleased.
Alright, we got ourselves a lockpick.